Alright. So for your project, ayan, for your project, midterm project natin for embedded system, ang gagawin nyo lang is I'll be giving you an RTL design. These are the lists. And then your task is to simply convert yung existing na RTL design to VHDL. So yung version nung code na makikita nyo is naka-Verilog. And then you simply have to convert that to equivalent VHDL. So these are the list. Then later doon sa ating group chat, pipili ka dito. So individual po ito. I have here 45 list of designs like designing the clock divider, verifying the clock divider, clock over add, then designing a 4-bit triple carry adder using Verilog, and so on. So, may bibigay din ako sa inyo na PDF file. So, this is the PDF file. RTL to GDS, Article 18, RTL design examples. This is from a semiconductor industry. Ayan, then ito yung author. Kinuha ko siya sa LinkedIn. China Venkata Narayana Reddy Selam. Ayan. He is a VLSI Voyager. So, mahilig talaga siya mag-explore about VHDL Verilog. So, ito yon. Halimbawa, itong nakikita mo dito na to design the clock divider. Ito yon. Yan. So, nilist ko dito. Then, lalagay mo na lang kung anong mapipili mo doon. Kung ito yung napili mo. Then, ito na yung Verilog code. So, maiksi lang. So, web lines 1 hanggang 23. So, gagawin mo lang is i-convert mo to VHDL. And then, obviously, meron ka nakikita dito na waveform. Ito rin yung target na ma-produce mo sa VHDL. So, hindi to naglagay ng test bench. So, gagawan mo ng test bench, syempre, yung VHDL mo, then at least meron kang target na ipoproduce na waveform. Ang nire-request ko lang lagi sa inyo is you have to change the background, the color of the lines, and so on. Then, syempre, explain mo din yung naging converted mo from Verilog to VHDL. And then, this is the sample schematic. In your case, you can easily produce that naman using the low-level design and high-level design dun sa RTL schematic. So, this is another example and so on. So, mahaba po yan, pero nilist ko yan. So, Webyear 45, all you have to do is to select from here. And then, yun yung gagawin nyo po. As per the deadline, I will set kung kailan po natin ipapasa. At the minimum, syempre, ang pinaka-main requirement natin is dapat you should able to convert this to VHDL and then you're able to produce the waveform. Pero syempre, sana, more than that, kailangan i-analyze mo din ang ginagawa ng code. Ilan ba yung na-produce ng logic gates? Ano ba yung mga syntax na ginamit mo? And then, how was it different using Verilog? Something like that. Sana may ganun tayong analysis as engineers. And then, kung kaya mo rin siyang gawan ng process flow or pseudocode to explain yung sequence ng code na to, so I would also appreciate that. If you could also enumerate the list of the inputs, the list of the outputs, the bit width, kung siya ba is scalar or vector, and also the internal signals that you have used. So, I would appreciate that. Katulad nito, sorry ha, ito yung example ko. Kita mo dito yung input tsaka output, naka 1 bit lang, di ba? Pero obviously, yung ating register, 4 bits. So, naka-vector to, ito naka-scalar. And then, gumamit lang tayo dito ng sensitivity list na positive edge clock and then positive edge reset. And then, simple if-else statement lang, then assignment operator. So, madali lang talaga yung ginagawa ng ating first example. Alright? So, thank you.